Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. Made a little progress. I've got the wiring all hooked up. It's been quite a journey. I had a couple of plugs in the wrong spots and it took a while to figure that out. And then the Klipper version, Rad OS, you have to go through and find all of the different configuration files. They did a nice job making it quite flexible, but everything's in different spots and you're going to figure a lot of that out. But I've got the wiring pretty well done. It's not very cleaned up yet, but I learned my lesson. Don't try to make it pretty before you get it to work. Otherwise you can tear a lot of stuff apart. So I've got the hot end all wired, and the only thing I've got left is the ADXL. I haven't gotten it working yet, and I don't know if it's hardware or firmware. So I'm going to show you what this looks like when you home it. Here's the console. It's probably not very good, but I'm going to do a home all. Then this will do a bed tramming. We'll go to 3 different points and measure each distance. So it goes to front right, front left, the middle back, and it calculates how far off they are. And I'll make an adjustment, and I'll keep doing that until it gets it within 0.02 of a millimeter. So I've been working on that. Then after it does that, you can do a mesh, which will measure 7 by 7 or 49 points and calculate the offset of each one of those. So I haven't tried to print anything yet. Excuse me, I've done a PID on the bed. Well, that was pretty good. So it finished in one try. If I go to console, I'll show. So it got the tolerance to 0.003750. Try to. So that's pretty good. Anyway, so that's where I'm at with it right now. And next step, get the ADXL, do some more tweaking, input shaper, etc., and then try to clean it up. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or the question. Thank you.